Welcome back. I decided since I had to go ahead and make, well, I didn't have to, I wanted to make another project for Bonnie's blog hop that I would go ahead and just videotape it and we'll see how it goes. So I'm going to go ahead and load my paper. Just about right. Slide the blade over. We're already set to go for shapes, so I'm going to hit enter to go into that category and scroll down to the rounded square. It's already set at 3, that's the default size. I need to make sure my pressure is all the way at 8 because this is coordinations paper. 7.5 maybe. And cut. One more paper. Here's my 3-inch square, rounded square. And I'll go ahead and take this paper out entirely. And I'm going to add this piece instead. This purple. Line it up with the 0. And then this time I need a frame. So we're going to hit back. And this little circle is the frame category. So we want that to flash, and we're going to hit enter. And I want image 19. And if you look right up here in the corner, it tells you what number it is. And then this is your book, your handbook. And so it says right here, the shape I want is image 19. So I'm just going to hold this down till we get close. There we go, image 19. I'm going to hit enter to select that shape. And I'm going to go ahead and hit cut. Okay, now that that's all done, I'm going to let it out. Look how cute that is. So perfect. And my thought is I'm going to put this together like this. How cute is that? So I'm going to set that aside for now. And now I want to cut some vintage keys. There just happens to be vintage keys on this particular cartridge. And SD card. That's going to take some getting used to. Card versus cartridge. Anyway, there's vintage keys on here somewhere. Oh, right here. Category 7, whimsical. So we're going to hit our mode button to go back. And this little icon here means whimsical. So we're just going to scroll down, hit enter. The key is 16. I'm going to hit enter to select the key. It's got it set at 3.5. I think I'm going to try 2.5. Now the one thing I have found is that if you kind of keep your hands here where I have mine as the paper is going in, it just helps the paper go in a little bit better. You only need to leave a 1/2 inch margin for the blade to hold on to, the rollers to hold on to the paper. I have no idea where that mark is, so I just kind of guess every time. Okay, and cut. so cute. And cut again. Oh, my bad. Enter and then cut. And I have the machine set for the default standard or settings or whatever with no tab. And as long as the paper is nice and thick and the cut isn't too complicated, it seems to be working just fine. See? Look at that. My little vintage key just rolled right out. And there's my key. And I'm going to go ahead and unload my paper entirely.